Lord, I am not worthy that you should enter under my roof. After the consecration, when the priest lifts the host and says, "Behold the Lamb of God, who takes away the sin of the world." Hindi lamang yan reminder para sa atin o yan ay simbolo. Yan ay the same. Jesus whom John the Baptist pointed to in the gospel is now truly present in the Eucharist. The Lamb of God who was born at Christmas and who gave His life on the cross is the one we are about to receive. Itong part ng misa pong ito ay nire-ready rin yung ating puso for communion. When we hear those words, we are being invited to look at Jesus. Tignan natin siya ng punong-puno ang ating puso ng pananampalataya, and at the same time, punong-puno ng kababaan ng kalooban na siya ay ating tatanggapin. Kaya naman yung ating response ay, "Lord, I am not worthy that you should enter under my roof."